warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, I am Aisah from number 072, and here I wanted to do the presentation about problem-based learning and share my personal experience applying this approach in senior high school. For the first is about what the definition of problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is a learning approach based on real-world problems. Instead of just memorizing information, students explore, discuss, and solve problems independently. This method makes learning more interactive and meaningful. And then the objective of problem-based learning aims to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills by encouraging students to analyze complex issues, and then enhance independent learning by allowing students to take charge of their own knowledge, and then improve collaborative skills by working in a group to find the solution. And then with the characteristic of PBL, the characteristic of PBL is driving question or problem. The learning process starts with a real-world issue. Interdisciplinary focus. It integrates different subjects. And authentic investigation. Student research, collect data and analyze information. And then production of artifacts and exhibition. Students present their findings through reports, presentation, or models. And then collaboration, group discussion, and teamwork are key of element. And then here I wanted to show my learning experience with PBL. The problem is about plastic pollution. One of the most impactful problem-based learning experience that I had in senior high school was during on problem in plastic pollution. There's There's 5 steps to do the PBL process. For the first step is problem orientation. Our teachers introduction the topic of plastic pollution and show us images and video of how plastic waste harms the environment. And then we were asked, why is plastic pollution a serious issue, and then what can we do to reduce its impact? This question became the foundation of our research and problem-solving process. And then the second step is students are divided into the groups. We were divided into small groups, with each group focusing on different aspects of the problem, such as for the first is the sources of plastic waste, and then the effect of plastic pollution on marine life, and then the impact of microplastic on human health, and then the last is solution like recycle, biodegradable plastic, and then waste reduction policies. And then the three step is problem solving and investigation. Each group conducted research using online sources or scientific journal and interviews with local environment activities. We will analyze why plastic waste is increasing, and then how other countries are managing plastic pollution, and then possible alternatives to single-use plastic. And then we will also create a survey to collect data on plastic usage in our school. And then the next step is presentation of findings. After gathering our findings, we created a presentation using some poster to demonstrating the impact of plastic on marine life. Each group presented their finding and proposed solutions, such as implementing a zero plastic day at school, encourage students to use reusable bottles and bags, and then organize a recycling campaign. And then the last step is evaluation and reflection. After the presentation, we had a discussion session where the teacher provided feedback on our research and solution. Another group asking the question and gave suggestion for improvement. We reflect on the effectiveness of our solution and how we could apply them in real life. So this problem-based learning or PBL experience showed me the power of student-centered learning, where students take an active role in their education. Instead of just listening to lectures or the teacher, we explore real-world problems, conducted and sharing research, and collaborate and presented our finding. Through this process, we develop critical thinking, problem solving, teamwork, and then communicate the skill, all that essential for real life situation. More importantly, we become independent learners, capable of analyzing complex issues and finding solutions on our own.